My name is Nikki Pett, author of Relationship ROI. What's worse than a one-upper? You know what a one-upper is. He one-ups everything you say. You're going to Italy next year? He's been there, done that. Your 6-year-old won the spelling bee? His kid was spelling at 6 months. What's worse than a one-upper is a taker. All they do is ask. You only hear from him or her when they want something. I know you're thinking of someone in particular right now. So why is it important to know what a taker does and what a one-upper does? Well, as great relationship marketers, we want to be the complete opposite. Because great relationship marketers are always giving first. They rarely ask. They're certainly not takers. So when you're out there building your business, you're out there networking, be sure to seek to help others first. Because it's our job as great relationship marketers to give more and take less. And remember, the ROI is always in the relationship.